Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Escalade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.